Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mass Day 6, guys.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you
I'm just giving you a little bit of update on the hair. I did this yesterday if you saw the live. So this is how it is after I take the do-rag off. Now I'm getting ready to leave, but I just want to show you it's still in the bun. The edges are out, but so far it's keeping. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to add some gel. Spray some of this just to get rid of the white. And that's it, and I'm going. Now usually I don't wear hats when my hair is freshly done, so no hat today guys, but this is how it is. It's not as clean as how the elastic band would have made it, but I'm working with it. So yes guys, just a little bit of update on the hair and the back. Bye guys. So I will see you.
Let's embrace our creativity, inspire each other, and take pride in our cultural heritage. Let's celebrate our unique stories, traditions, and talents, and together create a brighter, more loving, and more creative world. As one people, united and strong.
So as festival queens, we bear the responsibility of conceptualizing and executing an initiative that caters to the diverse needs of our various communities. So therefore, it is my honor to welcome you to the launch of my initiative, Spectrum Pathways, Bright Horizons. The project highlights the importance of tailoring support to the unique needs of every individual, fostering brighter horizons for the autism community in Jamaica. Thank you.
I don't even get to use this backdrop often, so that will make no sense. Alright guys, so it's day 6 of AHHH and I'm back from off the road. Now guys, I'm not feeling too 100. I'm thinking I'm catching my son's cold or flu, so I took some pill. It says non-drowsy, but I am feeling drowsiness, so I'm a bit on the downside right now. I'm gonna read back that pill. Probably said drowsy, I'm gonna say non-drowsy, but I'm a bit sleepy. I am a bit sleepy, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one more pill, but a different type of pill. Not that is going to do anything. I'm gonna take that, but take it in the night, because we can't afford to catch cold right now in Vlogmas or Mass. I don't think so. So I'm gonna try. I'm gonna drink up my garlic and my onion, my lime and my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do all of that tonight and see if I feel better tomorrow, guys. Alright, but right now I'm so sleepy. But news for you guys, one more, well, this is actually 2, one more set of shirt is done. So I am wearing one of the shirts, Art Reply, All Things Art. So that's my business name, guys, my brand name. Alright, so I've gotten some other shirts specifically for AHHH, or whenever I'm going to do a YouTube video on the road and I'm going to be a bit shy, I want to wear my shirt so that persons can know that, alright, she's doing a YouTube video and I don't look crazy or something like that. Alright, but in some stores they don't want you to video, but sometimes I hide and take some footage, but we see how that goes next week. Alright guys, but I haven't looked on the shirt as yet. This is how I got it, so I'm gonna open it right now for you on camera. Let me see if I can push this back a little bit for you guys to see. Alright, I think that is far enough. Or should I put it down? No, it's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna open it right now. So this is it. Alright. So this is one. We're opening it together. I'm seeing it with you guys. I even forgot what I told him to write on it, but it says I'm on YouTube Art Reply channel. Now I'm going to really observe it now to see if everything is okay and if I like it. So let me do that. I told him stencil, but this doesn't seem like stencil, or how I thought stencil would be. This more seems like it's a vinyl or a sticker, but I don't know because what I don't know. Probably I don't understand stencil in his world, but for stencil in my world it would be liquid paint, or probably it's a liquid paint. I don't know, but it almost seems like it can wash off after a certain time, meaning quickly. If I do wash this now, I feel like it might wash off, so I'm not sure. But I'm gonna wash it, show you guys, and see what happens. Alright guys, and if it does stay on for a long period of time, I recommend those who are in my area to use this company or this business. Alright, so the front part is YouTube Artwork Fly channel. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Probably that's the paint, I don't know, but it's different from what was in my head though, in terms of stencil. But it's good guys, it's neat, it's clean, it's nice, nothing out of place. I like it guys, I like it. Just hopefully it stays on how I imagine it to be. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, comment, and it's spelled correctly. This is cool guys. And then I have the hat to match this one. Let me go and show you guys the hat, but before I show you guys the hat, I'm gonna just go through them quickly on camera. So this is a red one. Alright, this one is nice. I like this one. I like this one. It's kind of more simple. I like that one. This one is nice. No, I like this one. This one is nice. I like this. I like this one better. I like this one better. Oh my god, it's so cute. I'll say this. Okay, may I get slim, you know? Medium. Get a slim. I get a slim, you know? Look here. May I imagine it so it'll come true. Leave me alone. I like this one too. This one is nice. Well, okay, all of them nice. All of them nice. All of them nice. I like it. So cute. Wow. I like it. Oh my god, they're so cute. Alright, so I'm gonna go for the hats and come back. Let me run. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I don't have any shirt to match this. I have a shoes, that's why I got this one. Yeah, I don't have any shirt to match this one, but I do have a shoes, my running shoes. So when I'm running, I'm gonna match it with this hat right here. Blue, and I don't have purple. I have blue and purple now, but it's the other sets of shirts. This is how I hang it. I don't get that other sets of shirt as yet. Alright, so let's see how it goes with these now. So this one with this one. Let's just throw it on right now and see. Yes. Is this the front or the back? This is the back, this is the front. You gets me? You gets me? Yeah, so that's one. And this one. And look here, me now wash these off, you know, me I dip them in the water and take them out, because the thing with these cheap shirts, they can get a bit fuzzy. Yes. So dip them in the water and take them out. Just wash out the armpit and dip them in the water and take them out back. Simple. I think my shirt in the paper. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's it. And the red one. But the thing with the other company, for those who did not watch the video, they put everything in black except for the white hat and the black hat. Everything else is in black. Look how it shows up more on this one. So it shows up more. Yes, that's what they should have done. And you can mix and match. It doesn't have to be black to black, red to red, blah blah blah. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I like it. I like it. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy your Christmas. Oh, and by the way, for those who are watching to see the hair, alright, so this is when I came back from off the road. This is how it looks. I hope you're seeing. Let me bring the light. No light, you can't see so well. So this is how it is when I come back from off the road. Now you see the edges, they're not laid. So the, what you call it now, the wax that I use, it doesn't last all day. Guys, are you seeing it? It doesn't last all day. See there, the edges are lifting. So guys, I need a recommendation on the best wax or edge, what you call it, edge control. All right guys, see there, it's not holding, guys, it's not holding. But so far the hair is not too shabby, not too shabby. But let me know down in the comments below what you think. Let me go for the ear wax just in case persons did not watch the video. No, it has been what? So what time I left out the house? 8:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. It's about 12:30. One day about, so both. So it's about 4.5 hours now. Alright? It's about 12:31 now, so 4.5 hours now. So this is the ear wax that I use, and so far this is how my ear is. This is without the elastic band. Alright, so that is it. Now for persons who are asking about the C-Set Visual Arts Journal, I will do that soon in a vlog. So stay tuned for that. And for persons who are watching the planting video, stay tuned for that. I have some other videos to edit. For those who are watching the house video, stay tuned for that. Just stay tuned, just subscribe and stay tuned. I will see you soon. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.